Hello students, how are you? Okay, now today we are going to do lesson 12, changing times of environment standard 4. Here the changing times, that means what our grandfather was to stay, then our parents, then what now we are doing, then after when you become a like our age, how you will stay in the different types of houses. Here we are talking about this. Look at here, changing times, changes houses have gone through. Different types of changes have happened in our houses. Look at here. First, the structure of the house. On a frame of wood with branches, neem and kicker. When our grandparents, they will live like a structure of frame with wood. Branches of neem and kicker branches are useful to build a house. Then they will use then they time pass. Then they made the house. They made the house. They are using unbaked bricks. See, in chimney, did you saw the chimney? In chimney, the bricks are baked. After the baking bricks, we are using nowadays. But before, they were using unbaked brick for cement and iron. Then baked bricks, cement and iron lintel. Lintel means the support of wood and stone that we are taking. Then walls. In first, seat of soil and hugs and wedding. Then whitewashing. Proper plastering with coarse and fancy paint. Now in our house, we have a proper plastering, fancy color, patterns on our walls, palace soil, hugs and wedding. Then whitewash karte the. Then after we are doing this. Floor. In first they were made, you can see in the hut, cow dung and mud. Cow dung and mud they are using lipan, lipan, yes. Then bricks on the floor. Now fancy marbles and marble chips. Spartak we are using nowadays in a house. See, roof. The roof was frame of wood with branches of neem and kicker. Then roof covered by gunny bags and mud. Then after they started use the roof made by gunny bags and wood. Now iron and cement floor that you can see in your house. Kitchen, mud and clay, chulha outside. The chulha was outside of the house. It's made by mud and clay. The grandmother was preparing food on the chulha. Now chulha, then after changes, the chulha was inside the house and the mother or grandmother, they were sitting on the floor and they are preparing food. Now, in our kitchen, so many types of facilities are available. Am I right? Yeah. Standing kitchen and cooks on a gas stove. We are making goods. Now we are using गैस स्टव. हमारे घर हम क्या क्या यूज़ करते हैं? यस, टॉयलेट्स. फर्स्ट देयर वॉज नो टॉयलेट इन द हाउस. If they want to go for washroom, for toilet, they are going outside. Women are going late night, otherwise early morning. They are going in the field. So then after sometimes people made the toilets with unbaked bricks. Now in our house, you can see your toilet, you can see your washroom. See, so many types of pipes are available. We have a gas geyser, we have electricity geyser, we have a solar system. Everything are there in our houses. Hot water, cold water, and then corporation water pipe. Different types of pipes and different types of taps are there. In different types of taps, cold water will come, then hot water came, then corporation water in a wash basins. Different types of facilities and shower. So many types of facilities and color tiles according to matching the tub, wash basins and color tiles. Okay. So here we are talking about changing times. Chetan Das, we are talking about the Chetan Das. Now Chetan Das is 70 years old. Now he is spending his time to spend what he was when he was in 9 years. How many changes came according to that when he was 9 years. Now he is become a 70 years. Different types of houses he made and different types of houses he was living. So he is writing about that. Chetan Das. Chetan Das was living in Dera Ghazi Khan. Now Dera Ghazi Khan is in Pakistan. Did you saw the movie Gadar? Yes. Bhag Milka Bhag? Yes. In these two movies, we can see the partitions of India and Pakistan. So when partition was there, there's some lots of problem. People facing lots of problem. So when the partitions happen, the people leave that country. Some people leave the Pakistan, they settle in the India. In so many, they leave the India and settle in the Pakistan. So you can see in Bhag Milka Bhag, when Milka was for 7 or 8 years old, he was living in Pakistan. Then during partition time, they have to leave that village, and that Milka came alone, and his family was died, and Milka and his food, that means his auntie, they run away by train and they settle down in India. In Gadar movie also you can see during partition time, so many people were rushing to Pakistan to India and India to Pakistan. Now Chetan Das and his family, they will live in Dera Ghazi Khan. Dera Ghazi Khan was still in Pakistan. During Pakistan, his father told, now we have to leave our village. We have to go India. We have to move from here. So they came in India. India. So many people came Pakistan to India and India to Pakistan. So those who came from India to Pakistan and in Pakistan to India, government give them place. Government give them place to build a house. But during that procedure, that the government gave them facility to live in a tent. They camps. They are living in a camp. Then after some time, after a few months, the government gave them a place. So Chetan Das' father told him that government gave us a place. They gave place in Sohna village. In Sohna village, so they have to build their house in there. Their house is in the Pakistan. We don't know now who will get that place to live. Who will that? His friends, his so many friends, relatives also, they live. They have to choose. They have to stay here or they have to move from Pakistan, other Pakistan to India, India to Pakistan. So they don't know who will get that place where Chetan Das family was living. Now here they got place in Sohna village. So many persons they got place in Sohna. Now Chetan Das father said, now we have to build our house. So they use on baked bricks because that time no facilities were there. So people, their family members, they also helped to build their house. Chetan Das' father told them they had been given some land in Sohna village. He said that they could build a house there. Everyone in the family worked hard to make the house. Chetan Das' father dug the soil and children quickly filled the pans and passed them to their mother, Gudiya, Chetan Das' younger sister. Chetan Das' sister and his mother mixed hugs in the soil. His father uses this mixture to put up the walls of the house. They brought cow dung from the nearby houses and Chetan Das' mother mixed it with mud. She coated the floor of the house with this mixture just like she used to do in their old house because she believed that this would keep the insects away. Then when it was time for the roof to be made, Chetan Das' father made a frame by joining strips of wood and fixing it on their four walls. Then they put branches of neem and kikar trees on the frame so that termites would not harm the wood. Chetan Das' mother put old gunny bags on these and covered them with mud. Most of the houses around Chetan Das' new houses were made in a similar manner. Now time passed. Chetan Das and his family, they made a house. They made a rough. They made a row house, but it was not a pakka house but it was like little bit pakka. Now Chetan Das become a big. he finished his studies. Now his family said, now Chetan Das, you have to be married. Oh, then Chetan Das said, Daddy, if I want to be married, we have to make one more room. So Chetan Das told, nowadays in cities they are using cement. Cement make the house pakka, that means that make the house stronger. So he told his father that we have to use cement, steel and iron to make our house stronger. So on the back side they made one room for they use cement, steel and iron because now Chetan Das is going to be married. In those days, on-baked bricks were also available in the market. So Chetan Das family made the walls of the new room with on-baked bricks. The use of brick was useful. They did not have to coat the walls every week now. Once a year they would whitewash with the walls. They also built a small kitchen in the courtyard. The kitchen had a made mud chulha and a place to keep all the cooking vessels. Now, Chaitanya is going to be married. Okay, they made only one room with the cement and unbaked bricks, but they did not make the toilet. Chaitanya wants to make the toilet, but his father told no. We made only one room. Now Chaitanya is going. His wife Suman came in the new house. Now they made one kitchen separate in the courtyard. They make one kitchen. In that courtyard they are putting the kitchen vessels. But the kitchen is not standing kitchen. They made chulha. Look at here. Mud and clay chulha outside. They made chulha on the courtyard. So Chaitanya's wife Suman, she has to sit in the kitchen. That means she has to sit on the floor and made the lunch. That means meal for their family. So they use the chulha. Chulha they use but sitting on the floor. But they do not have they do not have their separate toilet. So Chetan Das, his wife, Suman and his younger sister, then his parents, if they want to go for washroom, they want to go toilet, they have to go outside in the field. So now they married, his wife also feeling shy. So they decide now they have to make toilet. So on the back side, they made toilet with on-bed bricks and they use the lintel to support of the toilet. That means lintel means the wood or stone support to make the wall strong. So they made one toilet outside. Use lintel. That means they use the wood and stones to make this wall strong. So now they have their own toilet. So in their village, people also made their toilet separate on the back side with unbaked bricks. Now Chetan Das also has two sons. Time passed. Now when first Chetan Das was a small boy, he came Dera Ghazi Khan to India. Then they made one house in Sohna village. Now Chetan Das finished his study. Chetan Das going to be married. So they said, Daddy, we have to make one room with cement. But they use unbaked bricks. They use unbaked bricks and they use the whitewash. Now after the marriage, they need one toilet. They also made toilet. Now they are living happily. Now Chetan Das have two sons. Okay, time passed so fast. Chetan Das' two sons and a daughter were born on that house. Time passed. Chetan Das' children also completed their studies. Then 15 years ago, Chetan Das' daughter Simi got married and moved to Palwal. Then his son Raju got married and they felt that they should get the house ready for a new bride. Now time passed. Chetan Das also have two sons and one daughter. His daughter name is Simi. Chetan Das family, that means their children, they also finished their studies. Her daughter Simi got married in Palwal. She shifted to Sonar village to Palwal. Now his son Raju, Raju wants to be married. So Raju said, now we want changes in a house for new bride. Bride means the new dulhan. दुल्हन के लिए और नया घर बना. We have to renovate our house. So many changes Chetan Das saw. Chetan Das young, then big, then married, then that's the sons and daughter. Now daughter also got married. Now Raju wants to go to be married. Now Raju said, for we have to change our house for new bride. By then everyone was using baked bricks. Now they are not using unbaked bricks. They also use them for walls and put a lintel for the roof. They use marble chips, cement for a strong and fancy floor. In the toilet, they put pipes to take away the waste. The kitchen was made bigger. Raju's wife no longer used the clay chulha. Instead, she stood and did the cooking on the gas stove. Chetan Das' younger son Montu moved to Delhi for a job. Now he stays with his family. Now Chetan Das' son Raju got married. Just now you saw in that picture, they prepared, they made the changes in their house. They made a standing kitchen. So she did not have to sit and make chulha. She has to stand. She used to use the standing kitchen and she made the food for the family. Now that also we are using in our family. Your mother is doing this. So she did not use the chulha made by mud and clay. Now his another son Montu. His daughter went to Palwal, Simi, then Raju. Raju also married. Raju's wife also came. Now his son, the Montu, he got the job in Delhi. So he is living in Delhi. So sometimes Chetan Das and his wife, sometimes they live with Montu and sometimes they live in a Sona village with Raju and his wife. So 6 months, 4 months they are changing. From they are moving here to there and there to here. Look at here. When they travel from Sona to Delhi, Chetan Das and his wife go through Goregaon. So many big high-rise buildings have come up there. A few years ago, Raju renovated the toilet and the bathroom in the house in Sona. He used colored tiles in the bathroom. Chetan Das could not imagine spending so much time for a place and have a bath in. So, Chetan Das and wife Suman, they are going 6 months with Delhi and 6 months with Sona village with Raju and his wife, and sometimes they are going with Montu in the Delhi. So, they live in Goregaon. So, when they come up, Goregaon, when they Delhi, they were going, they saw the big buildings, high-rise building. They could not imagine Chetan Das. So, Chetan Das was imagining, in this toilet only I made so many changes. First, we were going outside in the field, otherwise on the open place. Now, then we made the unbaked bricks. There we are using this washroom. Then when his Raju was going to be married, then we changed the toilet, we changed everything. We used the color tiles, we used the whitewash, we used the color. Then his son going to be married. During his marriage time, they used some changes. Now his son Raju's marriage time, they also made. Now they have really very pakka house. They use the color with very fancy wall, toilets, marble chips, Patek they were using. He was thinking, wow, so many changes I did. Then he was thinking, what would happen when my grandchildren become big and they will going to be married, in which type of houses they will live. And he was thinking, these changes happen in the Caldera Ghazigan also. Same, he saw so many changes in India. वो लगा इन डेरा गाजी खान मेरे घर में भी इतने सारे चेंजेस हुए होंगे, In Pakistan also become so many changes. So you ask your grandfather, grandparents, daddy, the grandma, आपने ऐसा देखा है? Then she will tell you the story of changing times. See, whatever I told you, same thing she will explain you. Like this changes happen, ऐसे ऐसे changes हुए हैं. जो time pass, so many. I don't know when you become elder, how you will live, which type of house, how many facilities you will use. Okay? Okay, children.